Everyone knows of someone who is sent home with the wrong diagnosis. A missed appendicitis that then bursts. A tumor in the neck believed to be swollen glands. In fact, studies show that diagnoses are wrong 10 to 15% of the time. That is a huge amount, especially since a misdiagnosis can mean the difference between life and death. At the same time, it has been calculated that only 20% of decision-making is based on evidence. Today, doctors simply don't have time to stay abreast of medical advances and developments, which are happening at an unprecedented pace. What happens if, through the internet, we could improve diagnoses by knowing how other similar cases were diagnosed? While this doesn't take the place of a proper examination and diagnosis by medical doctors, it could dramatically lower variability and decrease the possibility of error. Artificial intelligence in medicine is helping to do just that. Medical AI is changing the way diagnoses can be made. In screening tools such as mammograms, some images may be too complex for the human eye to interpret, but for a machine able to process millions of images, it is not. Currently, computers are being trained to search through millions of digital slides, learning key characteristics of cancer and worrisome cells, and differentiating those from others. In the US, HumanDx provides assistance on diagnosing difficult cases from an online network of physicians all over the world. It currently includes almost 7,000 doctors who donate medical expertise and are assessed according to how well they have solved past cases. It recently announced a collaboration with 7 top medical institutions and is recruiting 100,000 specialists to give expert diagnoses over the next 5 years. Valid concerns exist with AI. Some critics have pointed to its very real potential for viruses, causing misdiagnoses that could spiral out of control. Others worry that it could enhance inequality. It should be stressed that, like any support system, computer algorithms should be recognized as support systems and support systems only. AI shouldn't be intended to replace doctors, but instead to aid, support, and facilitate human decision-making. In sum, ensuring that AI is used appropriately is key. When used correctly as a support mechanism for aiding human decision-making, AI has the potential to enhance early and correct diagnoses, leading to better health and better care at lower cost.